Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change buttons function for TOLINO Reader. And to do this, we'll need to click on three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now move to the settings and inside find page turn buttons. And right here you can change the functions for back button as well as the forward button. You can see the arrows pointing to the buttons. So for example, let's go for the back button, and here we can choose to either go to the home page, open illumination menu settings, or enable or disable touch screen with that specific button. Click on apply, and then next time you click on that button, it will correspond to the function you've just picked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.